Here's how to make an awesome frothy coffee using just a glass jar. First, grab your favorite coffee cup. Then fill it half full with cold milk. You can use any milk alternatives. Next, find a jar with a tight sealed lid. Then pour the cold milk into it and seal the lid on the jar. And shake vigorously for about 30 seconds. Until the milk becomes frothy. Next, go ahead and carefully remove the lid. Slowly pour the frothy milk into a large microwave bowl, making sure the froth doesn't collapse. Then microwave for 1 minute. Meanwhile, make a hot black coffee, filling your cup to halfway. Then slowly pour the hot milk froth onto your coffee. Now, you can go ahead and enjoy your frothy homemade coffee.